Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the newest feature of Kling AI, which is the Elements feature. And this allows you to input up to 4 images. So when we are at the home page, it looks like these. And then from there, we're going to go to AI videos. And if you're in frames, you're just going to hit Elements. From there, we're going to input our images. So I'll just click upload and first upload my character, which is this girl. By the way, I generated all of the images in Midjourney. And second, we're going to upload the, let's say I want her in with bubbles around. I also want her to be at this space, so I'm gonna upload this space. And lastly, I want her to have a puffy white jacket. So I'm gonna upload that photo over here. And now let's type in what we want. So it's not enough just to put in the images, we have to actually describe what we want. And you know what, I changed my mind. I don't think this one, I don't like the colors of this one, so I'm just gonna take that one out and we'll just have 3 elements for now. So we're gonna type in what we want. Like if we have a character, how do we want her or him to interact with our elements? So in this case, the bubbles and the jacket. So the model is wearing a puffy white jacket, oopsie, while walking in a runway fashion show filled with floating chrome bubbles. Okay. Oh, and also I forgot that you can select like to have it vertical or horizontal. So in this case, since all of my images are almost like vertical, I'm just going to select the 9:16 radio. And yeah, so that's it. We're just gonna go and generate. This is gonna charge us 35 credits, but that's why I'm doing it, so you don't have to experiment and you learn from my mistakes. After a few minutes, we have our results right over here. So as you can see, we have the jacket, and it's pretty much like pretty similar. We have the glasses, also very similar. The hair, the model looks really alike. Even they kept like the black blouse she has like underneath the jacket, which is really cool. The only thing that we missed on the first prompt were the bubbles, so I did a second prompt and tweaked a little bit of how I wrote it to add the bubbles. So over here, honestly, I like the first one better. I feel like this one's just a little bit too bouncy, but still it's like fun. I guess the bubbles make it like a fun runway, I guess. So this is all for today. I hope you like this video and that you find these useful for whichever that you do. Please, if you like this video and channel, subscribe and give us a like, and also leave a comment with any doubts you may have or future videos that you might like to see. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.